Again, we have very interesting question, the relation between molarity and molality, and then we will see the conditions when molarity is greater than molality, molarity is less than molality, or molarity is equal to molality. Under what conditions it exists. So first we will derive the relation between molarity and molality. So first, what is molarity? Molarity, capital M, means, yes, molarity capital M means capital M moles of solute present in 1000 ml of solution. This is the statement of molarity, and if D is density of solution in gram per ml and M2 is the molar mass of solute, then as volume of the solution is 1000 ml, density is d gram per ml. So from these two values we can calculate weight of the solution, because d is weight over volume, and at the same time number of moles is equal to weight of solute, number of moles. Let us take number of moles of solute as capital M, then weight of solute over molecular weight of solute. So from first statement, weight of, or we can say mass of solution is equal to, see, mass is density into volume. Density is d gram per ml, volume is 1000 ml. So it is equal to 1000 into d gram. This is mass of the solution. So what is the mass of solute then? Mass of solute is equal to number of moles of solute into molar mass of the solute. So M into M2 gram, the mass of the solute. What is M2? M2 is molar mass of solute. From mass of solution and mass of solute we can calculate mass of solvent. So what is mass of solvent then? Mass of solvent is mass of solution minus mass of solute. This is the mass of the solvent. Now what is molality? Molality, small m, is equal to number of moles of solute divided by, yes, mass of solvent. If it is in gram, then multiplied by 1000. So what is number of moles of solute? Number of moles of solute is capital M, that is molarity. So capital M into 1000 divided by mass of the solvent is 1000 D minus mm, right? So this is the relation between molality, that is small m, is equal to capital M over 1000 D minus mm2 into 1000, right? Now it can also be written as small m is equal to capital M divided by D minus m m2 by 1000. This 1000 we divide it. So 1000 cancel. It is D minus MM2 divided by 1000. So this is also the relation. Next, if we reciprocate, so 1 upon small m is equal to 1000 D minus MM2 over m into 1000. So it becomes D by m minus M2 divided by 1000 m. That is m cancel. So it becomes 1 upon small m is equal to D over capital M minus M2 over 1000. Right? M into 1000, 1000 D over M 1000. So 1000 cancel, D over M minus MM2 divided by M 1000, MM cancel, M2 by 1000. Right? So 1 upon small m is equal to D over capital M minus M2 by 1000. So these are two relations for the relation between molality and molarity. Now note it, then we will see under what conditions molality is equal to molarity, or molality is greater than molarity, or molality is less than molarity. Right? So just note down. Okay.
मुझे डाउट है ये जो तुम लिखा है ना m अपॉन आई है ना तो ऊपर इसके ऊपर हाँ ये रिलेशन इस जगह ये m में एक है
M is molarity.
नीचे वाला m क्या है?
This is also molarity, because molarity means it is actually moles of the solute.
हाँ तो कि चले तो रिलेशन बनाया था तो वहाँ मोल बोल रहा है.
But see, this molarity is moles of the solute in 1000 ml of solution. Condition apply. These are the moles of the solute actually in 1000 ml of solution. So volume of the solution is 1000, then molarity is number of moles of the solute. Right? That's why I write here number of moles of solute. M is equal to weight of solute over molecular weight of solute. Right? But here condition is applied that at this time volume of the solution is 1000 ml. Right? That's why number of moles of solute we put it as capital M. Got it?